Going to cross this bridge over the Valley River, and there's a gypsy, and this is Murphy River Walk, crossing over the Valley River. That's the Valley River, and we're going to cross it now over this bridge. So let's go, gypsy, let's go across the bridge. Crossing the Valley River. This river leads into the Hiawassee River, about a mile ahead. Which, of course, goes into the Hiawassee River Basin. And this is the Murphy River Walk, a part of it. And we're just about over the bridge. It is a very cool day, but actually a little warmer than it was a couple days ago. It's so cold. And it's the river walk. You can go all down that area for a good 3-mile walk if you wanted to. But it's too cold.